Hi guys, last episode we talked about becoming someone you can rely on. Today, we go one layer deeper. Bakit? Kasi kahit gaano ka ka-disciplined, kahit gaano ka consistent, madadapa ka pa rin kung ibang tao ang nagpapatakbo ng desisyon mo. Real talk. Most of our stress doesn't come from problems. It comes from other people's opinions about our choices. May moments na tahimik ka na, pero may boses sa ulo mo na nagsasabing, ano kaya ang sasabihin nila? Ito ang stoic reminder sa atin. You don't control what people think. You only control how much access they have to you. So, instead of fighting opinions, we learn how to manage them. Not emotionally, but strategically. Here's what I keep coming back to. Baka kailangan nyo. Una, ito pala. Kung wala silang responsibility sa outcome ng buhay mo, hindi rin dapat mabigat ang opinion nila sa'yo. Pangalawa, self-doubt is normal, pero hindi lahat ng duda ay kailangan mong sundin. Minsan, signal lang yan na may ginagawa kang hindi pang comfort zone. Pangatlo, clarity comes from action, not approval. Mas lalong hindi ka magiging sure kung hihinto ka para magpaliwanag sa lahat. People who are building don't have time to over-explain. They decide, they execute, they adjust quietly. Hindi mo kailangang maging loud. Hindi mo kailangang ipagtanggol ang bawat galaw mo. Ang kailangan mo lang, maging aligned ka sa sarili mo.